Get traffic with Twitter. How to get traffic to your website using Twitter. Social media marketing is the it thing in the marketing world right now, and Twitter is at the very top of that list. If you haven't already become involved with Twitter, it's time that you started. If you're somehow not aware of Twitter, it's a service that allows you to send out short messages that are called tweets to all the people who have decided to follow you. It started out as a way to talk to your friends and family and mainly keep track of famous celebrities, but it's quickly turned into a powerful marketing method. Now, before you get started, you should understand what Twitter is not. Twitter is not a platform that you should be using to directly sell your products or services. If all you do is send out messages asking for people to buy something, trying to sell them something, it just won't work. The key to successfully using Twitter is to use it to build relationships with your followers and to give them value. People want to know that you're doing business with a person, not just a website, and Twitter lets you do that. People can ask you questions and you can easily interact with them. You can also make it fun by running contests and occasionally offering a discount. Another way to use Twitter is to provide value to your followers. They're following you because they are interested in you or your business. So you want to give them fun facts of information about the topics they're interested in. As you continue to give them quality information, they will begin to think of you as an authority. That will lead them to want to check out your website to see what else you can teach them. Twitter can be a powerful marketing method if it's used correctly. Provide value with your followers and interact with them. Don't just sell to them. And that's the key to getting traffic with Twitter.